see the moon there. Use my Oculus Portal, which I've just mounted using only the ropes with one bolt. We got to get back up there, do a few more bolts. As you can see, it's excuse me if I'm shaking a little. I was just up there for quite a while with my arms above my head. Now my arms are back above my head. I need to take a break after this, but that crane worked way better than the old system, which was a crane itself, but I didn't have any height on it toward the end, so I had to get my height on it. Also, using that just 3 bolts now, not 2. I added in a third onto that secondary crane, and then what else? Oh, we had to sacrifice toward the end one of our carabiners you saw previously, such that we could get the final foot going. But as you can see, it's up there using only the ropes. Only me, so it can be built quite affordably if you're in a location where you can't afford to rent a lift of some kind, or a tractor, or what is it called? Well, ladders, which are the name escapes me. Scaffolding. Excuse me. Took me a second. Scaffolding. And then of course tires work too, but tires are the most risky. So we got to keep the ropes up. We got to bolt up the rest of it. A lot easier now that this is up, though. That was the hard part. Holy cow! It's finally up. Took us 2 weeks because of the wind.